Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my low-carb brownie Easter cookies. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you're going to add 1 stick of softened butter. Add Dunkin Hines keto-friendly box mix brownie mix. Then you're going to add 1 large egg. Then you're going to go ahead and add your softened butter with 1 tablespoon of water. And then you're going to sprinkle in about a 1/4 cup of some sprinkles, Easter colors. I use like a floury mix. And then after you combine it, it looks like this. Then you're going to let it set aside for about 15 minutes and rest. Line your baking sheet with parchment paper. And I used a medium cookie scoop and got about 14 cookie dough balls. You're going to lightly press the tops of them. And I'm using Russel Stouvers peanut M&Ms, however they do have plain. And I used about 3 on each cookie. Press them gently on the top. You want to have the cookie dough balls about 2 inches apart and then bake for 350 for 9 to 11 minutes. And then when you pull them out of the oven, you're going to let them sit and cool for 5 minutes before transferring to a cooling rack and let them sit for an additional 30 minutes. And this is what my chocolate brownie Easter eggs look like. They came out looking delicious. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and follow.